Hello everyone, this is Bijon. Welcome back to Quadro 143. Today I'm going to show you this beautiful mountain forest in Procreate. Step by step I'll show it to you, and this is the easiest, anyone can draw this kind of forest through Procreate. So I'm going to use this kind of brushes. Forget about this one: Studio Paint, Soft Brush, Procreate Pencil. It's not mandatory. Talia, medium soft brush, a medium brush from the airbrushing, rainforest. These are the brushes I'm going to use it for this painting, because this is the only easiest way to draw any kind of forest. I'll teach you like a step by step, and I'm going to do it in 6 layers. Like it's kind of 5 layers maybe. So we'll do it step by step. Let me show you step by step how I'm going to draw this kind of forest, which you can do it in easy and simple way. So let's get started. So I'm going to fill this canvas with this color. In layer 1, go to the airbrushing, soft brush, and I'm going to use off-white color and just tap it on the middle. As I'm doing it, you have to do it like that way. Don't worry about that, don't need to do it properly, just tap it in the middle portion. Okay, go to the Gaussian blur and just make it 41%, and deselect, go to layer 2, and I'm going to use a different color and go to the organic rainforest brush. I'm going to use rainforest original or rainforest, and I'm going to use 38% first. I can change, I'm going to use 30% maybe. Okay, so 2% size, 100% opacity. Now you have to do it because I didn't a sketch anything directly. I'm going to draw this painting, so you don't need to sketch for this kind of painting. This kind of forest will when you are going to draw, so don't need to sketch first. You can directly do it through the color. So see, as I told you, I'm going to, for this kind of painting, I'm going to use 5th layer. Totally 5 layer I'm going to use it. So first, in every layer I'm going to use a different color of tree. I'm going to use a different color. This is the first color which I'm going to use. This is the first layer of tree, because in tree, because I'm going to draw a forest, a mountain forest. So first I'm going to use this color and using a rainforest brush, and I'm going to do it tree, this kind of tree, like a forest tree, how it's look like. It's look like this kind of. So you have to do it like that way. You have to just don't need to do it properly, because this is going to be invisible. Not exactly invisible, but some of them it will show. So step by step you can check it out. First you have to do it like that way, which what I'm doing. You have to do it in layer 2. Single layer, I am mentioning one more time. In single layer you have to do it in one color tree. So let me fill it up first. Okay, so I have already filled up, and you have to use this middle of like a tree branch with a little bit deep color, but don't I'm going to down the opacity. That's not worry about it. See, go to the end. I'm going to use 77%. Go to the layer 3, and don't worry about the lower portion, because all will be visible after second layer. This is the second layer which I already did. I'm going to create a layer 3. See, the difference I told you. I'm going to use a different color right now, and with a different in this color I'm going to draw same thing once again, same kind of tree once again, but in different places. So you have to do it like that way, where you are going to place this tree. So I'm doing it properly this way. First I'm going to use a little bit deep color, and I'm going to draw a tree branch. What it's easiest for me to draw like a tree like that way. So if you want to draw it like exactly the one, the way you are like, you can do it like that way. There is no. So I'm going to use this time Talia brush, which is like kind of a rainforest brush. You can use rainforest, or else you can use Talia. Both is easy to draw any kind of tree. like art, tree painting in Procreate. So you can use both of them. Either you can use rainforest or else Styria, doesn't matter. So see, I as I told you like previously how I draw the tree, same thing you have to do it but in different places. So let me do it first, this one. First, as I told you, like I have draw the tree branch, so it's the easiest way for me to draw a tree, a mountain tree. So let me fill this one as well, and make sure this is in different layer. This is layer 3. The previous one, previous color, which is brown, that was I created in a different layer, layer 2, and this is layer 3. And I told you at the beginning time that I'm going to use only 5 to 6 layer, not more than that. And this is the only easiest way to draw any kind of forest in Procreate. I'll teach you like how to draw if you want to, or like draw something else in simple way. This is not realistic one. This is only for the beginners who will who is going to try, who are going to try to draw anything on iPad, or try to learn Procreate. They can easily do it in this kind of simple step. See, I told you a simple like a tree art, you have to do it through tidy brush. As I told you, you can use the rainforest as well. So let me fill up first. So my third color is done. So like it's kind of, I'm going to opacity down 77%, same as it is before. So it's it's not that kind of dark. So I'm going to create another layer, layer 4. I'm going to use little bit darker color than previous one. The previous one I have I already used little bit darker, but I have down the opacity. So I'm going to use the different color, this one. And this one I'm not going to down the opacity. I'm going to use the same opacity with the 100%. So just going to do it like that way, because these are in front of the viewers, as I told you. And this is the layer number 4, and I told you I'll use only 5 layers. So you have to just fill it up on the bottom section and top section with the rainforest or terraria. Both you can use, as I told you. Just do it like that way, that it's look like a tree. And in middle of something you can draw a tree, not so much in front. Make sure don't need to do it so many of trees as you did previous layer. Don't need to do lots of trees in front of this layer. This is a front layer, which is on layer 4, and I'm going to use 2 layer more, 1 layer more. So I'm not going to use one more. I'm going to use only one more. So as you can see, I have to draw the same, it's not a different, it's a same tree. You have to draw it, so it's look natural as well, and it's look nice, because it's the easiest way to draw. And I'm going to show you in short time you can draw anything in Procreate. So this is the example of it. So let me fill up as well this one, so you can check properly. And if you have any question or regarding this and how you are going to use it, if you are having any problem while you are drawing or anything in Procreate, or this kind of you want to draw anything, if you have any problem, don't hesitate, directly comment in my video section. Any video, do let me know what's your problem you are facing, and I will guide you up, don't worry. And if you draw something in Procreate like this, please mention my channel. I would like to see your creation. So let me fill up this one as well. So my previous layer also done. So let me create another layer, go with a soft brush, because this layer in this layer I'm going to use a front one, extreme front tree. So I have to create a tree branch, a little bit big tree branch. Let me do it first. Little bit more tree branch, which is in front of it. And don't worry about the lower portion. I have to do it something more in this. So I'm going to use this one. See, I told you like I'm going to use a little bit more. You will get to see the difference which I already made. Few of like not only left side you have to do it, because right side it's already closed. On the left side you have to do it 3 to 4 tree branch, which is good. So like that way you can do it. I'm going to use the tile brush now, because this is the big tree branch I'm going to draw. See, I told you like a few of them you have to tap it like that. Few places you have to press a little bit more, so it will be darker. I'll show you how to do it. And not you have to draw like that way, you have to do it like a tap like that, which I'm doing it. You have to do it like this way. Well, when you are going to draw anything in in paper with the help of pencil, how you draw, like same way you have to draw it here. There is no difference between pencil and iPad. You can draw like that way. This is the easiest way to draw any tree. So you can draw it like that way. If you press a little bit more, it will be a darker color. If you like a little bit, not going to press, so it will little bit light color. So you have to do it like that way. If you are practicing every day, you can do it better than me as well. So like I'm going to let me fill up this one, and I'm going to show you. I'm almost done with this painting actually. It's not I hope you can see this painting. This is not so much difficult. This is easiest way. Anyone, as I told you at the beginning of this video, that anyone can draw this kind of painting, this kind of forest. Like while you are traveling anywhere, or whether you are on plane or whether you are on train, doesn't matter. Like just grab your iPad and draw something. If you want to draw something that I need to draw anything on your alone, you can just need to draw something. So you can do it like this kind of things. It doesn't matter that you need to draw forest. You can draw any places, like any riverside scenery or landscape, any kind of landscape you can draw with this help, or with the help of this kind of brushes. This is the easiest way. Like for me, this is like what I can say, like anyone can draw. Anyone, like just need to like believe yourself that yes, you can do it. That's it, nothing else. And there is nothing indifficult for this kind of painting. So I believe everyone can do this kind of painting. And this is this little bit darker color I'm using some places, because this is exactly front portion of this painting, this on the canvas. So I have I already drawn this layer, and this is the fifth layer, I believe, fifth or sixth. Maybe I have created one layer extra, which you which you can use it, or if you want to use another layer, you can do it. Either you are going to use 6 layer or 7 layer, doesn't matter. If the painting is look good, that's enough, nothing else. So layer, if you can use more than that, doesn't matter. If it's good, then it's good. So I'm going to use for the a few of tree branch I have to use for the for the small tree branch. I told you the best way to draw tree branch with the studio pen from inking. So see, this is the easiest way to draw any kind of tree branch. Small I have to just do for the final touching, so it will look nice. Then it will look prominent. Few of them on the a big tree branch in front of. I'm not going to use the background tree, only front one I'm going to use it. That's it, because it's a sunrise time. That's why I'm using the background is yellows. Few of them here, and few of them I have to do it on the front section as well. If it's look good, then good, okay, go for it. Few of them here, but make sure don't need to do it so much, which is look weird. I have to draw like this. And if you have any suggestion, please do let me know in the comment section that what I have to draw next. I will try to draw. If you want to see any portrait, I already draw lots of portrait in my channel, so please visit and check it out, and do let me know in the comment section that how is it. And if you have any suggestion what I have to draw next, please do let me know. It's really appreciate that you are like you're going to tell me that I have to draw next this kind of painting or anything else. This is like a, like anyone can draw. I would like to show you, like I would like to teach you the way, like anyone can draw. You are artist or not, doesn't matter. Like I'm going to teach you my in my way, like in simple step by step. That's it, nothing else. So like I'm going to use little bit darker, either black color or dark blue will be like will good, and few of them tree branches in front section. And I think I'm done with this painting, and it's okay. So if you can see 6 layers, so I'm going to use like another things which is look amazing and prominent. So I'm going to use from the airbrushing soft brush. I have to use a little bit light color, shadow, like in forest area, in like a mountain forest. It's a fog. So you can check in different layer, you can use it, so it's look prominent. I hope you like it, this one. See, I have just put it down some little bit fog scenes so you can check it out properly. So I hope it's look nice now. And thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like it, and please do let me know in the comment section how is it. So I will try to draw next time little bit more videos for you, and I'll teach you each and everything step by step. Thank you once again for trust me and for watching this video. I will see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye bye.